In this short tutorial, I will show you how to rotate your Wi-Fi address on an iPhone running iOS 18. Rotating your Wi-Fi address can help protect your privacy and security while using the internet. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. Now you'll see the Rotate Wi-Fi Address option. A rotating Wi-Fi address helps reduce tracking by changing your Wi-Fi address at various times. Tracking can happen when your address always appears the same to other devices and people using the same network as you. To rotate your Wi-Fi address on your iPhone, simply toggle this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.